In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Cloudflare DNS. We'll take a closer look at how you can access and manage your DNS records using Cloudflare's intuitive dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding your DNS setup is crucial for maintaining your website's functionality and security. So, let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare account. If you haven't already created one, it's a straightforward process that gives you access to a suite of tools designed to enhance your website's performance and security. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with your account dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the domains you've associated with Cloudflare. Select the domain for which you want to check the DNS records. This will take you to the domain-specific dashboard where the next steps will unfold. Now, look for the DNS tab. This tab is your gateway to managing your domain's DNS records. In some cases, you might find a DNS button labeled Records on your dashboard overview page. Clicking on this will lead you directly to the same destination. Upon selecting the DNS tab or Records tile, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of all your current DNS records. This includes various types such as sname, mx, txt, and possibly others, depending on your specific domain setup and needs. Each type of record plays a distinct role. For example, A records are fundamental as they map your domain to an IP address, enabling users to find your website. Sname records, on the other hand, are used to alias one name to another, making it easier to manage your records when you have multiple subdomains. Understanding what each of these records does can significantly aid in maintaining your site effectively. Within this DNS section, you have the flexibility to edit, delete, or add new records. Editing allows you to adjust any incorrect or outdated information, ensuring that your site resolves correctly. If you find records that are no longer relevant, you have the option to delete them. This helps keep your DNS zone clean and organized. Adding new records is equally simple. You'll have a form where you can specify the type, name, content, and any additional options necessary for the record type you are creating. Being able to manage DNS settings directly in Cloudflare is immensely beneficial because it gives you the power to make real-time updates that propagate quickly. Cloudflare's infrastructure is designed to reduce the time it takes for DNS changes to take effect across the internet. This means that any adjustments you make can be resolved faster, helping keep your website online and accessible with minimal downtime. That's it for today's walkthrough on how to check Cloudflare DNS. By gaining familiarity with navigating the DNS section of your Cloudflare account, you set yourself up for smoother experience managing your website's critical info. Thanks for joining me, and happy navigating.